Hello everyone, Mama Mary here. Join me and let's make the perfect banana bread, moist and yummy. These are what we need for our super moist banana bread. Okay, of course, our 2 overripe bananas. These are large bananas. Okay, 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And we need a room temperature of 1/3 cup of milk. Brown sugar, we'll use brown sugar so we'll have a very nice color banana bread. 2/3 cup of pecans, or you can use any nuts. Okay, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, or you can use any oil. 2 large eggs. Okay, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, or you can use vinegar. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla for our ingredients. We shall now prepare our baking dish. We should grease our baking dish with a butter, all sides. Okay, or if you don't have a butter, you can use oil. Properly grease all sides so we can easily remove our banana bread. Okay? Let us now prepare our banana. Okay? For our recipe, we need 1 1/4 cup of mashed ripe bananas. And our 2 large banana will give us 1 1/4 cup. And remember, we should always use an overripe bananas, because these overripe bananas will add more sweetness for our banana bread, and that is natural sweetness for our banana bread. Okay, mash properly so it will give us a very good texture for our banana bread. Okay, mash evenly and properly and set aside. This time, we shall make our own buttermilk. The 1/3 cup of milk mixed with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice will give us our own buttermilk. And do you know that this buttermilk is the secret of our moist banana bread? And set aside for 2 minutes. This time, we shall now mix our dry ingredients. Our 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, we'll mix the salt, our cinnamon powder, and our baking soda. We shall sift them all together so it will be mixed properly, and sifting these ingredients will give more air to our flour. Okay, sift them all together at least 2 times. After sifting properly, we should set aside our dry ingredients. The next step is to mix the wet ingredients and our sugar. Okay, pour our oil to our mixing bowl and add our brown sugar. You might be asking, why are we using brown sugar? We are using brown sugar because this brown sugar gives a vibrant color to our banana bread, and it will look more delicious. Okay, so mix the brown sugar and the oil properly. Just keep mixing. Once the sugar and the oil is well incorporated, we can now add our 2 eggs. Okay, add our 2 eggs to our mixture and mix evenly. Okay. Whisk the eggs with our mixture and mix evenly until the sugar is well combined to our mixture. Okay, just keep mixing until these ingredients are well combined. Okay. Once our egg is well incorporated with our mixture, we can now add our buttermilk. Okay, add our buttermilk and continue mixing. Mixing well with our wire whisk. Mix it well, and now we can also add now our vanilla. Okay, add our vanilla and continue mixing. This time, we can now add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. Okay, add our dry ingredients and whisk properly until our dry ingredients and wet ingredients are well combined. Whisk properly. Okay, until everything is well combined. Now that our wet ingredients and dry ingredients are well combined, we can now add our mashed bananas. Okay, look at our bananas. It's so nice, right? Add our bananas and continue to whisk the ingredients. Whisk them properly so the banana will be well combined with our mixture. See how nice the texture of our butter. Okay, just continue mixing but never over mix. Now it's time to add our pecans. See, pecans, or you can also use any kinds of nuts, whichever is available. Okay, and mix. We are now ready to bake our banana bread. So now let us pour our butter to our baking dish. Remember not to overfill our baking dish. We should only fill it 2/3. 2/3 of the butter. Okay? And this baking dish should be filled equally. Okay. Now let us add some whole pecans to our batter. Okay. We have set aside some whole pecans to decorate our banana bread. Since we still have remaining butter, we shall now make this remaining butter as muffins. Okay. Fill our muffin cups with the remaining butter. Fill with butter equally. Okay, remember to always fill the containers equally. Okay. For our muffins, we shall add chocolate chips. We shall add chocolate chips generously to our muffins. Okay, and decorate each muffins with chocolate chips. Time to bake! In preheated oven with 350 degrees, we shall bake this for 20 minutes. It's baking! And I can smell the fragrance of the cinnamon. Here we go! Here are now our perfectly baked, moist banana bread. Aren't they look so perfect? And a bonus of 3 muffins. Look at this banana bread. It's so delicious. It's so tempting to eat now. So, try it yourselves and make this super moist banana bread. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe everyone and God bless you all.